Hello, traders. John at StockBookie.com. Today is our live stream for 5/17/2019. Let's get right into the charts. So we've been watching the SPY here, guys. We took a lotto play right here. Bought them at 43 cents. Sold some at 69. Sold some. Oops, hold on. Shush, honey. Sorry, guys. But we sold some. We bought at 43, sold some at 69, sold some at 103, sold the rest at 113. These went to, I think, 140 at one point. Right here, guys. Boom, we got in. We had other puts in the morning where we sold. Gosh, just great profits today, guys. We've been taking puts as some just small positions just to have some skin in the game. We had a Q puts that expire today. Average price was 110. They went to 191. We had some SPY puts that expired today. Our average price was 63. We got out at 83. These things were popping off at 98. I held on a little bit, and it was like, you know what, 83, I'm gone. Just take some profits. And then the puts that we bought for 524 on the SPY, our average price was 207. We sold at 385. We bought back at 206. We sold half at 385. We bought back again at 206. We sold more at 283. We're holding now. They're a little bit down. Not there. Hold on. Let's see. Sure. They're 234 now. So we're still in the money, but we took nice profits off those guys. Enough now where we could say, hey, let's let them ride until next week. Maybe we get some more news and the markets continue to go lower. But right now, markets are being driven by China trade. This was consumer sentiment. Then I believe this was the tariffs in Mexico, Canada. Guys, they're throwing, next thing you know, Jerome's pulling out the kitchen sink and throwing it at the market saying, hey, throw the kitchen sink and tell them China trade deal's close. People, nothing has happened. Now they're talking. All right, let's go to the daily. I'm hyped today, guys. Let me tell you. All right, G20. All right, that's when the deal was close. Here we are 6.5 months later. This was December 3rd. Now they're talking about Trump going to the G20 again. Like that meant shit back here. Remember, they propped it up. G20 thing was closed, and then they freaking pulled the rug. Doing the same shit here, guys. Down, sideways, still below the 20. But guys, daily chart, they're trying to prop. They're trying to hold it above the 50 MA. Even this push up was just unreal. Consumer sentiment, the highest it's been since 2004. And then it's the Mexico, Canada tariffs on steel and aluminum. We might, the announcement later today, CNBC sources say. It's like, oh my gosh. What's next, guys? Hey, what's up, Chris? What's up, Carlos? Holy crap, guys. This is why we take profits. When this thing gapped down, we were out. Done. See you later. I'm not sitting around waiting. And it really sucks because we had puts on the IWM as well. We took the profits. They were 50%, couple day hold. And man, I didn't even look at those today. They had to have been around $2 or so. But anyways, I am holding a small position on some SPY puts that expire 5/24. We took nice profits off that already. We locked them in. You could put a break even in, but now we can handle some pain if the markets grind higher on those. But my gosh, the only one we lost on was the Tesla calls. We took a small position, and when Tesla, guys, for all you Tesla bulls, we got right here, we got screwed. When they gapped it below that day, that was it. They weren't going anywhere. We talked about if you watch all my videos, if this thing ends up below that 230, 231 area, 229, it's going lower. And exactly what my video have been saying, guys. Watch it. Watch it for the last week. It's exactly what I've been saying. So if you follow technical analysis, this was a great analysis. We tried buying. If it would have held this area, I think we would have got a bid. Now, you know what, though? This is due for a huge bounce. I'll be looking for calls eventually. I'm looking at 211, but honestly, guys, markets keep dumping. These are going to this is going to 180, period. I don't give a shit what happens here. If the SPY sells, the IWM sells, it's all going lower. So we're pulling back a little bit on the SPY. You guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. We could take a look at it. We're just trying to get a handle on these markets. It's all news driven now, guys. If you are in puts, calls, anything like calls here, take the money. Why are you sitting around in this thing? Now they pull it back on you. Now they're chopping it. For all I know, guys, we end up at the lows today. Because really, in the last couple of days, nothing has changed. And this is what's going on. News right here. News right here. This was the best one. Walmart leading the way. Oh, and what else? What was yesterday? Oh, China trade deal close. And the funny thing is about Walmart, guys, as it started fading yesterday, it was like, don't talk about Walmart anymore. Earnings are over, not good anymore. Red alert, clean up on aisle 7. Yeah, Tesla, we're done. Tesla, stay away. Too much news. We gave it a shot with some calls, small position. What are you going to do? Guys, we've been killing it on the puts. Oh my gosh. And even shorting puts. Today, I mean, we could have shorted puts, went long. You know what? Just at this point, guys, I'm done for the day. Unless we see something really, really good. But Tesla, let it go lower. Here's your 211, 200, then 180. Like I've been saying. If we crack this, I've been talking about this big area. And this is where we took the calls, got 100% on them. Thank God we got out of them because these are at zero. I think they were the 250s or 245s. Zero now, guys. But we're out of them. We got into another one, 245s. They're at zero. But we only put a couple $100 on the table, guys. That's it. Told everybody. You're going to get in this trade, go light. We added a little bit that got our cost average down. Again, it was for me, it was, I don't know what it, I pulled it, guys. I'm done. I think I had like 5 cents left in it. Not much, guys. But what are you going to do? They're not all winners, guys. And you know what? And if someone's telling you that, they're lying. All right, so Tesla, yeah, just wait for it to go lower. Let's see what we get. Yeah, gosh, that sucks. I thought for sure once we gap down, that was pretty much it, guys. And for everybody, I say, you know what? Let's hold until the Friday. You never know. It's Tesla. We could get a huge bounce. This time they're dropping it, and that tells me everyone here was buying calls, guys. And thank the good Lord. We got the hell when we got this bounce. We took half off here. It came back in, bounced stuff, gave us a little over 100% here, and we were out on that trade. Then when it came back down, we took a new trade, but knowing, hey, we already got this one, so let's take some of the profits. Let's go in a smaller trade here. And then, shit, once we get that Monday gap down, that was it. Was not coming back, guys. And then news in this one, Elon and all the crap. It's just, gosh, what a weak turd. So 211, 200. We'll see how that reacts. The markets have to, the SPY and everything have to start grinding, guys. This one's just getting a beat down right now. Oh my gosh, what a day. Unbelievable. All right, let's see. SPY, the 290 resistance is key. Yeah, exactly. SPY, exactly, guys. That's why we took the lottos today. Right here. Right when we're hitting this area again, guys, I was like, shit, I'm going for it. And boom. 43 cents. They went to 140. Here we go. Mexico, Canada. Tariffs are on hold. Sources say we'll know in about a day or two if that's right. And then watch, 14 weeks later, they'll be like, oh yeah, they're the tariffs in Mexico and Canada. They're working on those. God, right here, guys. Right when this thing was coming in, starting to look weak. More tariff shit. Oh my gosh, you can't even make this up anymore, guys. Yeah, shop. Oh my gosh. But it's shop. It's like, you know what that reminds me of? The AAOI trade. It just keeps going. And then I guarantee you, CNBC will bring someone on and talk about shop. It'll be like, yeah, we're buyers up here at shop. So it's really cheap. It only, from 2016, it only had a 9,000% run, but they're going to bring the talking head out right now, and we're going to give this one an upgrade. after 400-point move. We're going to give it an upgrade up here. Yeah, great call. But we've traded this one a couple times, stuck in a trade short to under 10% position, not getting rallied. Or getting railed a little bit, guys. But you know what? I'm holding strong. This is your typical bullshit, straight up, straight down. But it's shop. Remember this one? But it's AAOI. Hurry. This thing's going to at least 200. Yeah. Oh, yeah. More like 10. Actually, we stepped up a little bit here. I'm taking a small position. Great trend line. You got to give it a shot here. Like, you play it like a lotto play, guys, like it's going to zero. So don't go heavy. But my gosh, what an ass kicking. This one, look at even 3M, guys, on an extended play. Look at this. This thing's breaking down, too. We were shorting this thing up here, went against us, held on, talked about this one, down, sideways, bearish pattern, playing out. Do not touch 3M until about 113. No, not that. Let's go to a weekly. Oh, shit. Yeah, maybe 113, maybe 150. Now, here they go again. SPY's going up. More news. Let's just throw out the kitchen sink. Hey, everybody. Jerome's got the kitchen sink out. That must mean something. Oh, my gosh. This is the shit, guys. I just shut down. Had a great week. I should go golfing right now because you can't trade in these markets at this point. And if you do, you got to go light. And if you have profits, guys, you take them. Right here was looking ugly until the news. And it came back down, looking ugly right here. Then oh my God, the Mexico-Canada tariffs. It's like they have a list. All right, we did the China trade. We did this one. We did that one. Oh, wait a minute. We didn't talk about the Canada-Mexico tariffs. Oh, throw those out. Trump tweet. It's unbelievable. Holy crap. But Morgan Stanley downgraded it and then released a report showing they added a huge position. Oh, yeah, on shop. Yeah, keep adding. Keep going. It's going to be great. Holy crap, though, guys. Just sit on your hands. If you made the money today, just say thank you and see you next week. Because right now, we're in la-la land. They don't even know what else to throw out. Well, we're in Options X, though, guys. The real Shark Week. This is the week where they just keep pumping shit and pumping shit and pumping shit until they can't anymore. Until you get to the point you're just like, what? Wait, let's go back to CNBC now. Let's see. Is it the Mexico, Canada? Yep, there it is. Top news. You can't make this shit up, guys, right there. U.S. reaches a deal. Here it is. It's close. Nothing's signed, but it's there. Holy shit. Can't even make this up anymore. Oh my God. Like that, I guess that means something. Oh my gosh. Just pump it higher. And at 50 million, not bad today. Unbelievable, though, guys. The other trade of the century, short puts. Every day, guys, we're going to start short puts. Just do it every day. Every day, the odds are by the end of the year, you'll probably have 200 out of 220 trading days. You'll probably have 200 winners and 20 losers. You can't lose on shorting puts at this point. You just can't. Find the low, short them. Now I wouldn't do it, but gosh darn it. 3 weeks, guys, we've had 9 successful trades for over 50% shorting puts. And we could have probably had 15. We could have done it every day. But it gets to a point where the news are driving the markets and you really don't want to get stuck in a shorting put position and they're ramming you. So, we just kind of pick and choose the days we want to do it. And today, yesterday, the day before. Oh my gosh. This day, that day. This day you would have got railed. The next day you would have, came out clean. Look at this. Short puts. Every day, guys. It's the same shit. So hopefully you guys have bigger accounts. Those are the ones that can short the puts. Wow. And then what are the other ones? Yeah, look at that. They reached a deal. Let's see now. U.S. reaches deal to lift steel and aluminum tariffs on Canada and Mexico. Sources say the deal would get rid of any key obstacle to pat. So they don't even have a deal yet. Pre-trade agreement. They don't even have a deal yet, guys. Just like China trade shit. G20, December 3rd, still throwing stuff out. That's why I say CNBC, don't listen to the crap, guys. Listen to it for breaking news, stuff like that. It's a soap opera, guys. Soap opera. What can we throw out today, sir? Everything's going down. Is buying calls the same as shorting puts? No. Shorting puts, D, you buy, say when we were selling the puts on the SPY and everything this morning, what were the prices? Say when the SPY puts the 285 sit 83 cents, 90 cents, that's when you would have shorted. You would have shorted them, just like shorting a stock. Those 285s, if we would have shorted them at 85 cents, they're at 4 cents right now. So it would have been almost a 95% gain. That's shorting puts. No, it is not buying calls, not even close to being the same. You are shorting the put premium. So you're betting for that premium at $1 to go to 0. Baba. All right, hold on. Yeah, Baba, we're out of that trade. We shorted that one. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this market though drives me. This is the shit, guys, where I just leave. Done. I'm done for the day. Thank you very much. Because if you sit around and watch this shit, you'll end up doing stupid stuff. Period. That's what happens, guys. That's what happens. All right, so Baba. Look at the double top on. All right, buying calls. No. Looking at let's look at Baba. Baba, yeah, I mean, we're holding on to dear life at 168.87. If this thing cracks, markets go lower, you're going to fill this gap right here around 166. 165 is going to be good support. If that gives away, let's go to the bigger time frame here. We could still flush out today, guys, for all I know. Yeah, this is weak. Wow. Even on a weekly, guys, if we get below the MAs here and this thing starts to go, markets start to give, this thing's going a lot lower. Man, let's see. I'm going to do more short-term stuff here. All right, so taking a fib from this low to that high, you're into the 382. You're right below. Next area will be about 162. Next area will be about 155. If that starts to give and this thing goes, 130 is definitely in the cards. Markets start to dump, 130 will come fast. Guys, I can't wait. If this thing bombs, we're going to be looking for long positions eventually, and then we're going to get some epic moves. All right, especially if you're members. If you're not a member, go sign up. It's $30. Don't be a cheap ass. We killed it today. We had all put positions, guys. We were getting rammed yesterday a little bit. That's why I tell my members, small positions, guys, when we're taking these puts, all right? We added some on the 24th as well. Those killed it. Those were almost up 100% too. Actually, we are up 100% of those. So we bought back in, sold it again, bought back in, sold it again, rinsed and repeated. All right, guys, SPY coming down a little bit now, so just sit on your damn hands. Okay, don't be a hero. These could go to zero. So, but right now it's looking okay. I got to see more. Nice pullback. We shorted up in here. We already took our money on this trade, and of course we should have held like always. What epic trade though, guys? Coke. God, that was like the short of the century here. God, look at this thing. Someone brought this to my attention. I was like, oh my gosh, what in the world? Look at this. They got everybody in, guys. Hit 400, dropped 100 points in 4 days. Done with that trade. So, all right. SPY's coming in a little bit more. They're pretty much killing everything they possibly can. But remember that day. It's not. You remember that day, guys. I remember it like it was yesterday. We didn't have a position in this one. But where was it? Where was it? No, it wasn't that one. Wasn't that one? Was it that? It was one of the days when right there when we were selling off. These 6-cent options went to 60 cents. So you never know. So if you're holding on for dear life with a put position, and they're at 2 cents, just hold it. You never know. You might get the pullback. We already pulled off all ours, so it's not a big deal for me anymore, guys. Just another day in bookie land. So, all right, let's see. Baba SMCSA. I don't even know if I get that one. Or let's see. CMCSA. Do I get it? All right, let's see. Yeah, nah, I don't. Let's see. Let's look at the monthly. Yeah, well, you're at double top. Yeah, it's just not stretched enough for me on the monthly. It needs to be more. I'd say $50 on this one, then possibly a short. Let's just go back. Wow, look at these moves, guys. This is all Fed pump. This thing was a $6 stock. It's at 43 now. For what? I'm not sure. Because the whole markets went up. Man, when they pull the rug in these markets, guys, it's going to be downtown Charlie Brown. Let me tell you. Calls require the underlying to move the premium decay works against you. All right, short puts the premium decay goes into your account, and your underlying doesn't have to move. Yeah, exactly. Well, it's just like shorting a stock. If you short a stock at 100, you're actually borrowing the stock. You're saying, hey, let me short this stock. Oh, I can have it at 100. Great. You know what? I'm going to borrow it right now at 100. And when it goes to 90, I'm going to give it back to you at 90. And I'm going to keep the $10 difference. And you can have that stock back at 90. That's basically what you're doing. When I'm shorting the premium on a put at $1 or $100, I'm saying, hey, I'm going to short that premium. I'm going to take it at 100, but I'm going to give it back to you at 1 cent. And you're going to take the $99.99 in your pocket. That's how it works. Just like shorting a stock, it's the same thing. But yeah, exactly. I used to, well, I short calls a bunch. I was doing it a ton last year. This year I've slowed down. Dangerous trades, guys. Shorting options, dangerous game, guys. Unlimited risk. If you short a stock or an option at $100, it could go 1,000 and you'd be down 1,000%. So it's not for everybody. But again, when you get up 50%, 60%, start taking it off, maybe hold one contract and see if you can let it run. That's nothing to play around with. That's why a lot of these, when I'm shorting them, guys, as soon as I start getting profits, I start pulling them. I can't mess around in those trades. And anyways, I tell my members all the time, these weekly options that we're playing, dangerous tools, guys. But when you hit them, holy crap. And guys, last 4 weeks, we've been killing it. So my risk appetite's a little bit higher than normal. So I'm going to keep trading, guys. That's it. All right. So let's see here. Let's get a handle on these markets. Man, I'm just riled. All this freaking news. Now they're talking about Canada, Mexico tariffs. Holy shit. You can't make... Guys, Options X, the real Shark Week. Just keep pumping news out there and see what happens. Tesla's not going up because everybody bought calls, guys. But we knew when we're getting in those trades. It's like, you just go small. Don't load the house. On any of these trades, guys. I mean, look at this action. We're gapping down, ripping up, gapping up, ripping up, gapping down, ripping up. This one and then this day was the epic gap down and it just freaking just plowed. And then the next day we gap up, comes back in. We almost end up at gap fill again. But we're holding this line down here. That's going to be the next line we're going to be watching if we start coming in again. But you know what? All they got to do is keep throwing out news. So I don't know, maybe 288 was the magic number today, 287, maybe the 287.50s. Unbelievable. But these guys don't want to pay out premium, guys. So, just take everybody down. Whatever the computers tell these guys to do. Hey, all right, so we got all these premium and puts and calls, but if we go bring this up, we're going to smash everybody. Instead of paying $1 million in premium, we'll only have to pay 10 grand if we bring this thing up. Next thing you know, the magic bid comes in on news. Like always, markets driven by news right now, guys. So if you're in any trades, calls or puts, know at any moment they can jam it to you upwards, jam it to you downwards. So when you're taking these trades, keep them small. What I tell people now, and these puts, in these weekly puts, keep your position under 0.5% of your portfolio. If you have 100 grand, your position should not be any larger than $500. The smaller accounts, the $5,000 accounts, the couple $1,000 accounts, just tough. I just keep it with maybe 100, 200, and that's tough, guys. You lose, 5 or 6 of those. You have a $5,000 account, you just lost 20% in your account. So it's tough. And that's why I tell my members, if you have a small account, if you're making money, pull the trigger, guys, even if it's 50 or $100. You have a $3,000 account, if you just made $200, pull it. Don't be waiting. Like this. We gapped down. I'm selling. I'm done. I'm not waiting. We almost filled the gap. Like always, guys. Why fill the gap? Why hit the 200, then bounce? That's a little easier for technical guys. Wow, we could bounce, fall it short, and then push it out. We even had 285 here too. Couldn't even make it to a better area. And then what? Magic. And then the consumer sentiment, the highest it's been since 2004. Tonight at 7, we're going to talk about that. And then tariffs on Mexico and Canada, all better. There's no deal, but it's close. Holy crap, guys. Just keep pumping it out. See if it sticks. Tesla buy, no. $10 per trade plus $1 per contract. Tell me those are expensive. Oh yeah, $10 per trade. Shit, I'm at I think 450 and then 50 cents a contract. Wow. Yeah, that's a little bit. So I don't know who you have, Chris, but talk to your broker. Chris, check out Tasty Trade. $1 contract, $10 max, a leg, 0 to close. Okay, there you go. Wow, though. Holy cow. $10 per contract. per trade. Mr. B, when I was consulting him, this billionaire guy, he was paying, I don't know how much per trade. He was paying $10 a contract. We'd end up buying like 1,000 contracts. He was paying $10,000 a trade. In 10,000 out, 20 grand a trade, guys. I was like, you're nuts. I said, you got to change your broker. I said, I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. What's 20 grand? I was like, 20 grand. I said, that's a nice vacation for me and my kids. Yeah. So, but God, what a day, guys. What else is left? They did China trade. They did the consumer sentiment. They threw out the tariffs on Mexico and Canada. Is the Brexit fixed? I don't even know if they threw that out there today. What else could they pop? Well, watch for Buffett. They got to bring out Buffett or Siegel or David Tepper, the hedge fund bull. Hi, I'm David Tepper. I bought more shares of Amazon. Like right when we're getting in some heat, who comes out? Warren Buffett has a huge position in Amazon. Oh, but it's 45 days out. He might have sold his huge position of Amazon 2 days ago. You wouldn't know if he did. All right, guys, let's take a breather here. Let's see what these markets are going to do. Right now, it's just chop, chop. If we do drop, though, gosh, it's like every time, just like here, we're down, sideways, chopping around. We're holding support. This gap window, gap fill, holding it pretty good. And then the news. It's like, what? And then here, too, comes back in. We get below the 20 MA. It's like, ooh, yeah. It's holding 287, though. It's like, all right, let it hold. Let it keep chopping. And then the Mexico-Canada tariffs. It's like, what? And I knew it, too. Right when this was popping up, it's like, all right, what's going on? Something's got to be coming out. E-Trade, $4.45. Wow. I'm going to have to talk to my broker. $4? Yeah, when they had I use Thinkorswim for options plays, guys. I have Cobra, Interactive Brokers, and Lightspeed. I got 4 different brokers and 4 different accounts, guys. SPY will pin 2 soon. Yeah, 2. Yeah, exactly. Here it is. So it's got to be 287.50, guys. So just pin it there and just kill everybody. Kill all the puts. So that's why I got out, guys. I was done. That's it for me. Got to pump it. Almost feel like they're going to devalue the dollar just to keep this. Yeah, actually everything's trading with the USO right now, guys. I've been watching. I mean, at this point, I mean, look at this. So I mean, look at this. I mean, follow the SPY. SPY's up tomorrow, fades. SPY starts to fade in the morning. We catch the bid. We start fading in the afternoon, and we start going out. And once 2:30 comes, that's it for USO. It just stops. So we'll have to see. But yeah, look at that pullback. We got the pullback. I think it's following the USO. USO goes lower. We're going lower. And right now we're starting, down sideways. We hit this big trend line here. That's where we're at now with this. We hit this, came back down. See how they tried popping it above the 20 MA, getting everybody a little more bullish. But if this stays around, chugs, or chops, this thing starts to drop, and I think it's going to drag the markets down. Guys, this is the barometer right here. This is when QE3 ended and oil was at the lows. Then they brought it down one more time, the central bankers, to test it. And as that the economy was boldly, quote, the economy's good, guys. That's what Uncle Jerome's saying. And then we floated. We floated to the high gas prices. They were getting, what, $3.50, $4 again? They couldn't handle it. The data was coming out. They brought it down real quick until Christmas, because that gives everybody an extra couple hundred in their pocket. And then it's like the test again. All right, bring it up slow. Let's see if they can handle it. For now, we're into the 618 retrace off this low and this high. I think if we come back down, this is going to put the drag on the markets. And if this area breaks, we're going back to double bottom, guys, which is great. Gas will be cheap. And that's when they'll be like, the economy's, it's a wreck, this and that. That's when we'll get another bounce. They'll test it again. This is the test, guys, by the central bankers and Uncle Jerome. Let's see how the consumer can handle oil prices, higher oil prices. They brought it down right before Christmas. Like it was magical, guys. And look, right into this trend line. Held the trend line right back up. Now we're chopping around the 618 above the 50. But they got it right above the moving averages. You get above the moving averages, stronger stance. Got to do that at least. Now it's holding. Now they're trying to figure out, okay, what do we do now? Let's hold it here for about a month or two. Let's see, through the holiday or through summer. All the kids are off, vacation time. Got to get that oil around 350 a gallon. Let's see if the consumer can handle that. Woo woo. All right, let's see. Got to pump it. Leg, which is spread, an honor condor. All the retirement account need to keep growing. Yeah, right. Iran is looking for some freedom. That will get the USO going, and then we want Venezuela oil. Yeah. So right now, guys, chopping and slopping. Who knows what the end is going to bring? We still have 2 hours left. For all I know, guys, they start dumping. Again, nothing has changed since December 3rd, G20. And then they even pumped that out there. Trump's going to be at the next G20. Woo! And then markets go up again. It's like, oh my gosh. They just can't help themselves. It's the Trump pump. Trump tweet. It's like he's almost as bad as Elon. He might be worse. But you know damn well he's telling his boys, all right, guys, I'm going to tweet. So make sure you get out of those shorts. That looks tasty. Yeah, Tasty Trade is all right. I guess they're good guys. I've heard good things about them. So, I at this point in my life, commission means shit to me. It's just trading. The smaller accounts, it means a little bit. But yeah, I mean, at this point, when you build up your accounts, guys, your $20, $30 commission, depending on how many contracts you buy or whatever, it means nothing. It's just part of the game, unfortunately. But if you're trading a lot like me, I'm going to have to call my broker because I've been trading a little bit more. But call your broker and say, hey, and then they'll put you on like a trial. All right, we'll take a look at your account for the next month or so. If you're making X amount of trades, we'll give you this deal or whatever. So just get a good relationship with your broker. That's all you got to do. So I'm just looking at some high flyers, guys. We're in a bunch of trades still. Short shares on all of them. We're still in a small put position on some puts that expire next Friday. I'm going to have some skin in the game just in case we get a little more ass kicking next week. So maybe put another position on towards the end of the day. We'll see. My members will know what we do. Other than that, let's see. CMCSA, but they could run it to 45. Yeah, the CMCSA, just let it go. I like 50. I mean, it is hitting double top. I see that. Nice retrace. The only thing I wish it was stretched from the 20 a little bit more. I think we got to go one step further. Because now, we already got the pullback from these areas. And if you take this guy, let me see. All right, and if you take this guy, that's why I'm kind of waiting. I would like to see 50. Not that that's like this huge trend line or something, but a lot of times this will get some news or an upgrade. They'll push it through double top, squeeze. A lot of the shorts probably have a breaky or a stop out a little bit above here. They'll come and get them, squeeze it higher. Then it gets that push till 50, and then we'll see. That's what I'm saying with that. I'm gonna call my broker. Yeah, Robin Hood. Yeah, they'll be like, who are you? Tasty trades. I'm sure CNSA, but they could. Yeah, just make sure you're not loaded up. All right. If it goes up 46, 47, maybe add a little bit more. Make sure you have some for 50. And I still don't. It's not really a stretch play. I mean, it's okay. You want to see a stretch play? Shop. This is a stretch play. And it could go to 300. If it goes to 300, and if you're not short, you got to do it there. 275 is pretty good too. And this thing right through that. Let's move that up here now. But still, price target is still 155-ish area. I'm going to say 180, but gosh darn, just keeps going. Just keeps going. Never going to stop. Yeah, Tesla. Once it broke that 230, that was it. Goodbye. Why isn't it dying? Well, Apple's staying buoyant because it holds the market up, movie. That's it. It's Apple green. Hey, everything's fine. Don't worry. I'm surprised it's not catching a bid with BA. Like yesterday, all of a sudden out of the blue, BA starts getting news. And BA goes up. That tries to lead the market up. It's just like, holy crap. Keep throwing it out. They keep throwing it out. I use Tasty Works. Really like it. Good for options. Okay. What's up with Apple? Yeah, Apple just really flat. Nothing. Really Options X, guys. So that must be the be the area where the least amount of premiums being put out. But down sideways, still weak, still a turd above the 189 area again. 190, that's the area. 200 was the first, and this area, it's still weak. Options X, guys, the real shark week. Like Tesla. Everyone's buying the dip on Tesla, and they're just taking them to the house. Did weekday go up too fast? Should I buy a put today? Yeah, weekday. Puts are tough on these trades. They can hold these things up and up and up. But monthly chart on work day 2, look at that. 146 is the price target right now. And if this really starts going, it's going to be 108. Look at that. Another one, guys. Just way too fast, way too far, too fast. Period. So just keep an eye on this one. Yeah, that one's flying. There's a bunch of them. Twilio's flying. Now's flying. Zebra was flying. TTD was going up. And then finally, someone pulled the rug on that one. Look at that, though. Pulls a rug. You get a couple green days and right back up. It's like, it's freaking, it's just annoying, actually. Oh, yeah, it worked. This one, TTD. I mean, it was only a $42 stock, 2 years ago? No, not even. A year ago. And it's at 230. Get the hell out of here. Holy crap, just a pump session, guys. Look at this. If you're not taking profits on this as a long, you're a moron. Yeah, it might go higher. Who gives a shit, though? Eventually, it's going to come down, and we buy it again. All right, cool. Here they go, grinding on news. Yeah, now it's the yeah, exactly. Alta, same shit. They're all the same shit, guys. Just keep pumping. Oh, look, it's Alta. That should go higher. Oh yeah, look, it's Alta. It was only $5 10 years ago, and now it's $3.40 on the Fed pump. $5 trillion into the markets. This is what you get, guys. You get stocks like this and up here for no effing reason. It's stupid. Yeah, but if you want to short Alta, perfect. Short it. Shares. Puts are tough. I do shares. If you want to go puts, you got to go a couple months out at least. For me, this could take 5 months to drop. This could take a month to drop. I do shares in this, guys. I don't recommend puts. If you have a smaller account, do puts. Just go small and buy yourself time. Yeah, Alta. Gosh, that was one we shorted. We shorted here. We shorted here. We shorted here. Now we're short again. That's just bring it up again. Great. I'll short it again. I don't give a shit. And you got to keep these positions small, guys. You don't blow your load in one shot. Half the people are, oh, I'm still in this thing. I'm stuck. It's like, where are you stuck from? Like, we already pulled off half again. Yeah, because what happened was we shorted this one. We pulled off half. We added again. Okay, as it's going up, we added a little bit more. Came back down again. We covered again. Now it's going right back to where we were. Now I'm looking at, okay, do I, let's see if we get to 350, maybe even a little higher. Great. Let it go to 360. I'll do it again. Get my average price up a little bit, but we already shorted, covered. Now I could go back in again. Our last price that we covered was 329.80. So say 330. Now we're up another $20. We'll pull it again. Now it falls again. I'll pull it all off if I get another 10 and we're done. Just rinse and repeat, guys. So on this one, I'm still okay. We pulled it off twice. If it goes up a little higher, I'll do it again. Just keep an eye on Alta. But it's Alta. It's up. Someone in options X, guys, needs that, probably above 345, 350. I don't know what options go off, but holy crap, though, guys. Tesla, though, man, what a beatdown. And it is just bleeding. Now it's just bleeding. Now it's just doing it on purpose. They're all like, taking the calls to the house. Good thing you loaded up on those. See what I teach here, guys? Small positions in these flipping markets. It's all news driven. You don't want to be a hero. If you're going to go small on this, we went small on these. Had to give it a shot. Once they gapped it down, that was it. We should have pulled it, but it was Tesla. It's like, it's Tesla. Buy the dip, Look at that beat up, though, guys. 380 to 215. And people tell me this is not the best trading stock ever. Damn. 100-point moves, and it's due, but I think we're coming down here, guys. I mean, we're gonna have to see this monthly close. I'll do the weekend update, so follow the video. But man, we're below that key trend line, guys. I mean, it's getting interesting. Let's put it that way. Damn. 2 hours left, guys. Are we gonna reach that 210 area? Oh my gosh. I don't get that. And then you're all in traders going, I don't get this. This doesn't make any sense. And then you get the email, margin call. It's like, okay, now what? All right, I got 3 days to hold Tesla, and then they bring it to 200, and then you're screwed. And then right when you're dumping all your long position, that's when they bring it up $70. You guys know the routine. Been there, done that over and over. And that's why I learned technicals, guys. Helps you. Still you get your ass kicked, but it still helps you get in a good trade. All right. What now? I'm in StockBookie chat for 2 months, but never used your picks. Sorry, but I like live video, but don't understand those tweets. All right. Yeah, no. All right. Shorted puts on Alta this week. Oof. Those are tough. I like your slow and steady approach. Yeah, you got it on the high flyers and stuff, guys. You got to, you're going in 10% position. Say your max position's 10 grand. Start with 2, add 2, add 2. It's just like buying the dip on a stock, guys, on Tesla. And everybody's in on Tesla. But at 230, you got it. If you're going share, I'll probably do shares with this one, a little bit easier to handle. But you start buying at 230. Now you're going to buy at 210. Now you're going to buy maybe if you get at 190 and then hold. Even if you go to 180, even if you're in a 10% position and this thing flushes on you, you're not getting your ass kicked. That's how, that I'll probably do shares. So wait a second, I want to go back to, can you please do Roku? Yeah, Roku. But movie, I'm in StockBookie chat for 2 months, but never use your pick, sorry. But I like the live videos, don't understand those tweets. I'm not sure that what you don't understand. Because like this here, let me do the lottos today. Here's one of my tweets. All right, let me explain it, especially to the new members. Bought SPY 517, 288 puts at 43 cents. Lotto play into the close just in case they sell it into the close. All right, these are at 58 cents. One more flush. I'm saying 288 support. We need to get below that area. Then the Lotto should fly. Once we got below the 288, guys, what happened? Lotto, they were flying. Sold some at 69. Then I put a mental break even in, guys. I'm saying, hey, if this thing goes up against us, I'm gonna have a mental break even. I don't want to put my cards out there on the level 2 to show everybody, hey, I'm looking to sell. As soon as you put your order out there, guys, market makers be like, oh wait, there's one. Bring it down and get you, and then bring it back. Because this thing's flushing, guys. Sold more at 103. 100% on these. Please raise your stop out. So if you got in at 43. Where is it? 43 up in here. You're pushing your stop maybe to 69, the first area, as it kept going up. SPY bouncing at the 50 MA, sold the last at 113. These went to, I think, 130. I think they went to 140. So I'm not sure. Maybe I got to do a video on showing people. And then let's see. Another one we had. Where is it? All right. Here's one. This is just another one, just to show you new members. Bought Q puts, 50 cents. These were 149. I was looking. Okay, yeah. I had so many trades. So these were 149, and they came back, and they're 50. Bought more at 60 or 76 cents. Yeah, I was looking at SPY puts. Those are 50. So we bought these at 149. Sorry. If you would have looked at those, it wouldn't have been 50 cents. All right. So I said these were 149. All right. So I was looking at SPY puts, bought more at 176. So I got my average price around 110. These are still high risk trades. I am not loading the house on these. I do not have like 100, 200 contracts in these, guys. Small positions just to have something in the game. All right. These are at 99 cents. I was telling people, if you cannot take the pain, we're almost at break even. I like pain. I also like the resistance up here at 289. It's all about the news. Go small in the trade. Today, guys, sold at 191. This one's closed. Took what I can. I don't know where these are at now, but they're probably in the basement. So that's where. So I'm not sure. So if I'm buying, shorting, bought puts. Okay. Now let's go back. That's buying puts outright. All right. Let's go back the other day. Sorry, guys. I'm just going through some stuff, showing some members. If you want me to look at something, punch it in. Do a $sign. Lift calls paid good this week. Still holding a bull put. Cool. How did you buy them? Options at 9. How did you buy them? Options at 9:00. That's my time in Arizona. Maybe, yeah, that's Arizona time. Maybe the new member does not understand what you meant by 517 puts expiry strike. I'm not sure. Shorting into earnings May 30th. Small position is the idea. On which one? Bought Tesla at 228 last couple days ago. Yeah. I'm waiting for 210, 200. Alta we looked at, but this Q post, that's all Arizona time, guys. I am 3 hours behind New York time right now. So it doesn't matter what time I'm buying these at. It just matters at the post. So if I'm posting at 7:44, 8:44, 9:44, that's 10:44 that I'm getting out. How about Intel for no? Do not go for long term. No, let it go lower. Can't open an account with Tasty Trade because I'm in Frosty, Canada. That sucks. Try interactive brokers. See what they do with that. Okay, I was just confused about the time. Yeah, I'm on Arizona time, guys. I'm in Pacific time right now. Lyft Uber, should I hold or sell these? Are you in what are you in, bud? Are you in puts or calls? But that's what I do. And when I'm shorting calls or puts, when I'm shorting puts, let's see. Yeah, just like this one. Now that one was, I got a lot of shit on that one. I was just seeing, because I'm pretty sure I do short puts. Where are we here? Now I always tell my members, high risk trades, guys. I got to remind you guys, especially the new ones. High risk trades, don't load the boat. Don't load the boat. I'm just looking at, okay, here you go. And these, this is where, this was a short put play the other day. Short put SPY 510 at expiration, 284 at 311. This is a high risk trade, not for everyone. There's support down here where we could get a bounce. As soon as these things start going, covered some at 191, covered more at 154, covered more at 133, started going against me. Boom, I was out at 150. But this is, I'm shorting puts. I'm not buying calls. I'm shorting puts, playing the down move on the decay as the SPY's moving up. All right, and 752, 852, 950, that's at 10:52 in the AM on the 9th. All right. Tesla's still at 215, guys. So that would be a short put play, guys. I'm gonna do a video about this for my new members. I got a lot of new members on board in the last couple of weeks. So let's see here. Minimum 10K. I'm a musician. All right. Yeah, then go small. Keep these small, Chris. Right. Oh, is it for IB? Damn. Shares. Hold on here. Bought Tesla shares 228 a couple days ago. I will add more. Yeah, 210 and then 200 for that. The Lyft and Uber, should I hold or sell? Bought these at Lyft at 47, Uber at 37. If you got profit, I just take enough off the table, bud. Where if it comes down, you just add more. I think the markets are due for another ass kicking, guys. We're trying to make a top. That's why they're popping all this news out. This is a topping pattern, guys. And then you start chopping around. It's all news. Look at this. We get up here, China trade, and it comes back up here, and they're like anything they could throw at it now, guys. They're throwing. Now it's Canada, Mexico tariffs. Then it's China trade tariffs. Then it's the Brexit's close. Then Trump's making a deal with the devil. It's like anything now. It's just like, holy shit. What? This morning I was like, what else can they throw at this? And then it was the Canada-Mexico tariffs. It was like, oh my gosh, I forgot about those. They must have a list. They have to. All right, guy. All right, get the dart out, Trump. Doing. All right. Oh, Mexico, Canada tariffs. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's go to lift. Yeah, there's just not enough to look on these for chart support. I mean, you're holding support down in here. 53, 54, 33 is a big area. That was what, that's where it was consolidating, broke down, came back in. So really, if you're bullish on this, you got to get above these. You got to get above 56 or in 54, 33 first. You get above that, then maybe upside. The markets keep dumping though. We cracked that 47 area. We're done. That's it. And this thing went to, where's lift? Didn't even get to 40 cents. So what was the low on that one? Low was 47.17. So if you're in at the lows, yeah, I mean, you got it. That's not chisel some, man. Chisel some. Don't sit there and get your ass kicked if the market flushes next week. Remember, nothing has changed. There is no deal. There is no Canada deal. There is no deals. It's all lip service right now. This one here, 37. Yeah, start taking these off. You don't want to be stuck in these. Next thing you know, you're at 36 and falling. Yeah, bud, take the money and run, man. Save a couple. If it comes back down, we can always do it again. On to the next one, guys. Can you go over NVIDIA? Yeah, NVIDIA has the news, so the earnings still weak, still can't get out of its own way. I think we're coming right back to 144, guys. If we can't hold this area and get above this 164, we're heading down. Stock of the year, guys, getting its ass kicked. Everyone still has that in the back of their head. Stock of the year. Stock of the year. Look at this. Everything else was at all-time highs, guys. Where's NVIDIA? Stock of the year. Everything's retracing to the all-time highs, 750. This couldn't even make it past the 382. That tells you it's a weak piece of shit. I'm going to tell you how it is today, guys. I'm freaking riled up. This news crap every day. I'm going to have an excuse. We got to make a list, guys, and just put all the excuses on. China trade. Now I forgot about Canada, Mexico, Brexit, debt deal, the debt ceiling. That's going to be coming up. What else did they kick down the road? Yeah, punch it in, guys. I'm in an Apple put. All right. Yeah, that's a tough trade, guys, Apple. Right now, everything's it's options X, guys. They're shaking and baking. That's what they're doing. NVIDIA, yeah, there's really nothing to do. It retraced up, came back down, breaking past the 20 MA here on the weekly. Let's look more short-term time frame on the day. Yeah, I mean, this is below. Market's got to go up. This will probably go up. Market's continue down. You're going to test 144, and you're going to keep going. I think we're going right back to the lows. And I still think on the weekly chart, and I've been saying this for a while, we have not kissed the 200 MA. It's coming to the 200 MA. Everything's going to the 200 MA, guys, and it will. It just takes a little bit of time. Apple put, yep. Hold on to that. Let's see if that thing will keep rolling down. I mean, they got to get Apple to get the markets up. Look at Tesla go, guys. Holy shit. I've been wanting to step up, and I've been just sitting on my hands on that one. We lost on those calls, and I'm looking to get calls again. Calls are, I think I'm going to buy shares, but I'm telling you, 180, and it could go to 143. 143, guys. Mark that in your calendar. Everyone goes, oh, no way. Is he? Oh, shit. Trump's going to talk, guys. So if you are short, just beware. Great week, Bookie. Love the service. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, I mean, we kicked ass. We're in a little bit of trouble yesterday with some of those puts, but as long as you're keeping them low key, the emotions don't take over. You're not sitting there going, holy shit, I'm half in. Oh my God. If you have a $50,000 account and you're in with a couple $100, $500, it's the casino at this point, guys. It's a Wall Street casino pumped up on news and dumped down on news. But you want to have your skin in the game, especially to the downside. 3-4 weeks, guys, kicking ass, taking names. I mean, we've been kicking ass since 2018. We had a rough spell when the markets were trying to find a bottom down in here. We bought calls, then we flipped them and bought puts. But as we were buying calls, I think the max position was about 30 grand. All right, in about 20, 30 positions. All right, and you didn't have to take all of them. They all went up. I mean, when we got that rally, oh God, if we would have held on to them. Instead, we got cute. We took the money on those. We flipped them into puts. And that's when we got taken. But here, and I don't know the exact amount, but if we had $30,000 long, Then when we bought shorts again, we only had about 10. So we're taking the risk off as the markets continue. That's big with how I trade, guys. Like I tell everybody, if you have a good week, Monday through Thursday, and you're just kicking ass, taking names, on Friday, don't go all in. Sometimes just take it off. Say, F you, Friday. I'm going golfing. I'm on the golf course. That's a 4-hour day. I'm not going to look at the markets. I'm going on vacation again, guys. I'm going on a cruise. This time I will not be on the charts at all. I'm going to take a day or 7 days and do absolutely nothing. So, yeah, 200, 180 maybe. Got to be patient, guys. Don't want to miss it. That's why that's why I think with shares, I think we're a little bit better. If we take calls, we got to go out a month. We can't go out a week. That's what kind of got us. If we would have went out a little bit more, I think we'd be all right. Trump getting the news, wife, market go. Oh yeah, everything, guys. Can you take a look at Baidu? Oh, Baidu's getting slapped. And that's what kind of too. That's what's making me wow, look at that, guys. Woo. I think $100, guys. It's cracking through this little pivot. I mean, this is in a bad area. But markets dump, it's going lower. And this is what the Chinese Google or whatever the hell it is. This is talking to us, guys. Look at that, down. What do I always say, guys? High pivot, down, sideways, retrace, get people on board. I'm surprised it didn't go up here and then dump it in their face. Another high flyer, guys. Yeah, this one's talking. Look at that, right up here. Chop, chop, chop. Look at that. Couldn't get through it, guys. Look at those candles. Bulls and bears fighting. Oh, just need some news. Shit. Oh, upgrade, double upgrade. Oh, shit. Another double upgrade. Oh, shit. Top. Couldn't do it. Got these tails. Lights out. Man, this is, let's see. Hold on. Let's throw a quick fib from this low. I'm going to say, wow, we're even going past the 7. This is a pretty good area, guys. Market's got to bounce. So markets don't bounce. I think we're going to 100. At 100, anywhere from 100 to 85, maybe. Oh my gosh. What an ass kicking. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's why isn't that part of China or some bullshit? I'm not even sure, but that's another one that's been flying. And the funny thing is, guys, no one's talking about Deere. Oh, who cares? Deere's flushing. Look at this. Same shit, guys. If you remember, nothing different. Down, retrace it to the highs, flush them out. And I'm sure they gave it an upgrade somewhere in here too. Wow, Tesla. Don't do it. Topping pattern, you have reduced the size and take your profits quickly. Yes. Want some Tesla at 200? Fridays are never really good days for trading. You'll have a couple good ones here and there. Hey, we had that lotto play though. How epic was that? Laugh out loud, Baidu trade war. Yeah, Tesla to, oh my gosh, guys. Woo! Is everyone having fun now? Yeah, yesterday it was just like, it was a brutal day for me. I had a lot going on. I'm renting some properties, getting some stuff like that tied up, talking to my lawyers. Everything's ironed out now. Yeah, I got a new leasing in one of them. They're opening up a pizza place. That's going to be kind of cool. Oh my gosh, what a day, what a day. Hold on here, guys. Let's see. But yeah, look at that. Even Deere, not bad. Deere cracks 128, guys. Look at this. So weekly chart time frame, 200 MA. There's your target, 118. Oh, look at it. Oh, guys, all you members, keep this on watch. 112, anywhere in this area for Deere. Maybe. Got to see how it goes into, and we got to see how the markets are going. All right. Well, I'm sure Trump comes out. We're going straight up again, most likely. That's just how this shit works, guys. Trump tweet. Oh, hey, I'm going to the G20. Me and my son Barron. Oh, great. And then CNBC gets a hold of it. Trump going to the G20 tonight at 7. Let's bring Buffett on. Tell everybody how big his Amazon position is. Oh, man. Should I use my cash from Uber, Lyft profits to buy more Tesla or Baidu or DE, or should I just hold off, man? Hold off. Remember, nothing is done. Tesla, maybe. Tesla is starting to get, you know what? Hold on a minute here. Hold on. We might be getting some, maybe. Oh my gosh. Maybe step up on a trade, guys. Maybe. Let's see here. Gosh, this is total high risk. I'm just looking at. Oh, gosh. All right, guys. If you guys got some big balls here, I mean, we can. I'd still like it a little bit lower, but we're starting to get a little bit. Maybe we got some exhaustion selling here. Guys, I just bought some. Where are we here? Hold on. 517 calls or 517 calls, 215s. All right, it's 75 cents. All right, it's not a big position. Let's see if we could get something going here. If it flushes, it flushes, guys. It's more of a lottery play. If the SPY takes a dip, guys, they're done. All right, this is I'm not posting anything on my Twitter feed or anything. This is for you guys. Getting a little bit of a tail, a little bit of exhaustion. It still can go lower, but I think it's, it's willing. They're going at 68 cents now, guys, 67, 73. This is a total lotto play, guys. If we get it, great. If we don't, if they start getting over $1 or so, $1.25, just start taking them off. This could be a little bit of a bottoming signal, maybe. We had some heavy selling here. We got a little bit of a tail. We still got about 5-6 minutes left of this candle. Let's see if we could pop these for a quick gain. All right, guys, let's go. They're at 81 cents now. I mean, they're just taking everyone's just done now, guys. Oh my God. Because the problem is they go all in. If you're going all in, if you have a less than 10% position, still bad, but still you can handle this. Okay. You go all in, you're done. You're sweating right now. You're cursing. You're banging on the wall. Been there, guys. This effing thing, Tesla. You guys know the rule. You know it. We'll see. I don't know. Big volume coming in right here on the intraday, though. If the SPY dumps, it's going lower. Bottom line. If the SPY holds, these things can hold. All right, guys. 74 cents. They were popping off at 80. Again, this is a lotto play. I still like it lower, but we're getting a little bit of volume coming in. I like that for a little bit of a bounce. If we get it, great. If we don't, not a big deal. Throw a couple $100 at it. We had a hell of a day, guys. I'll take my lotto, my SPY lottos, the profit on that, and I'm in on this one. All right, they're at 70 cents, guys, 63 cents. They're popping around. I mean, this is total. These expire today. This is going to be a hero to zero or boom, we're popping and we're making money. But if the SPY sells, we're done. I'll tell you that right now. It's a high-risk trade, guys. It's trading. But, all right, we'll play it like this, too. If we crack below this low, we're out. Uh-oh. Here we go. Get ready, guys. Yeah, SPY dumps, we're in trouble. That's the bottom line. 213. All right. Are you in shares? All right, guys, we got to hold this low. And if we don't, it's really up to you guys, whatever you want to do. All right, they're at 60 cents now, guys. SPY sells, we're done. That's it. We're out. God, I was holding pretty good. Good volume too, guys. We'll see. I'm going to hold them. I'll take them to zero. This is it, guys. Get a drink ready. Get some cards out. This is the Wall Street Casino right now. Man, yeah, 212, 50. Next area is 210, though, guys. So it could go right there. 211. 211 is not bad either. So let's see if we catch that. But I like the fact that, it came off a little bit of base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles down through the 214, through the 213 even numbers. Big volumes coming in, trying to catch a bid. We still have a minute left of this candle. If we can close above this low of this candle on the 10-minute time frame, that should be that should help us a little bit. We're still playing off the hold on here. Let me put this over there. All right. My 215s. All right, guys, going. Yeah, they might chop us. El Chapo here. Sell half at 215. All right, let's go. Come on. We got to have that. As much as I don't want the markets to bounce, it's going to help this trade out. Damn. This is this is some of the stuff I look for as a technical trader. You start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Volume starts picking up. It's just is this the area? Tesla bulls are getting tired, guys. They're just like, oh my, they're just giving up now. God, they're getting killed. Yeah, it's tempting though to even take one out, a couple weeks out. At least buy a little more time just in case if these, go, get kicked around. Man, look at this. Where are they at now? 58 cents. Popping off at 58. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's go. Let's do this. All right. 58 cents. They're going 52 by 61. Yeah, we might not get the bounce, guys. Trump talk. Oh gosh, seriously? Oh jeez. All right, guys, let's see. Trump's talking. He can't even make this shit up anymore, guys. It's just like Trump's talking now. China, the Mexico tariffs. It's like, huh? Yeah, and I don't know why they're taking this one to the house so much. I mean, this could be the lows though here, guys. It could be. Gosh, I gotta look at something here. This is insane. Man, this one's so due for bouncing. Let's see here. Gosh, so cheap. All right, these are going off of 62, 65, starting to get a little bit of a bounce. Oh my gosh, this is just insane, guys. Man, it's due for a bounce. Oh my God. If the market's continued lower, though, it's not going to bounce. That's the problem with Tesla. Tempting to take some June calls, though. Gosh, it's so due for a bounce, guys. So due for a bounce. All right, guys. All right, guys. I'm typing in a trade for my members right now. 80 cents, guys. 80 cents. Markets are going down too, but we're due. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, 82 cents, guys. They're going off at 81. Come on, Tesla. Give us this. Give us this cash. What is it? 6. God, it's due. All right, guys. 84. 88. Come on. Come on, Tesla. Let's go, 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 go. Push, push, push. Markets are coming in too. Oh, gosh. Markets will flush. Tesla will go now. 84 cents, guys. Oops, 73 cents. So it looks like someone's shorting them possibly. Oh, gosh. They're not going to allow this to happen. They were trying. 73, 69. Oh, man. They were going at 77. Oh, gosh. If the SPY comes in, they're most likely going down. Damn it. Oh, it's trying though. Look at that. Everyone's dumping, everyone's freaking right now. They can't take the pain. No, that's why you got to go small. Leave some skin in the game, guys. That's what I tell my members. Got to at least get some skin in the game. And that's why you got to take a small shot at this one. Come on. 70 cents. They're popping. 73, 74. Come on. Oh, one push back to maybe 217, the 20 MA. Even it's getting stretched too from the smaller time frames from the 20 MA. All right, let me go back. He's mocking China. Yeah, we don't want your business. Laugh out loud. Oh gosh. All right, guys, 70 cents. They're popping a little bit more now. And then SPY's going down. All right. If we get a quick pop on these guys, you start going to 90 to a buck, just start taking them off. Don't mess around. We're right back to break even, guys. They're 76 cents, 75 cents. You can't handle the pain, if they start popping at 85, just take something. We could get a nice rally, guys, to 220 for all I know. It's like way overdue. We had nice selling, but it doesn't mean we crack this area and we go right to 210. All right, just know that. Just protect them. Just again, you're in too big of a position. You're getting all sweaty now. Just take them. Just cut them. I'm like, all right, let's see what we get. Here, can I have a drink? Give me a shot, please. Now, yeah. When you're in small positions, guys, it's so much easier. And then, hey, if you took a $500 bet on this, we get 50%. You make 250 in 30 minutes, whatever. What's wrong with that? That's the problem with traders, guys. You can make a quick little bit, and then I can make more. No, just take the money. All right, guys, these are popping off at 81 now, 85. Come on, 90, 87. Here we go. 89. Come on, baby. If you guys make money more than 30 bucks, you better sign up. Damn it. StockBookie.com. Here we go. They're going off at 89, 90, 90. They're going to be popping off at 95s. Ooh, buck. Here comes a buck. Come on, dollar. Ah, they're 92. Oh, I was going to say, where's the SPY? Come on. Oh, they're trying. Someone's in there trying. A little bit. If they get a little short squeeze going here, we might actually get paid on these. All right, guys, 88. Oh, come on, Tesla. Make up for the calls I freaking lost on. No, the earlier trade. Or I think we put that one on like a week ago. 88 cents, guys, 85 cents. If you have a small position or if you got a large position, take it off. Don't be waiting around. Ah, here they come. Here comes the evil Wall Street crooks. All right, 79 cents. They're going lower. They're 61 by 78 now, 70 cents. And there it goes. Well, we almost had them. Oh, God, they're 59 cents now. Dun, 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 dun. And just like that, guys, going to zero. Damn. So they're trying. Nah, shit. Nah, we're screwed now. All right, where are you in Bookie? I'm in Phoenix, guys. That's why when I post my stuff on Twitter, I'm 3 hours behind. That's why you can't look at the time frame on that. I'm in my mom's basement right now. All right, well, hey, they're back to 62 now. That's what I'm saying right now. This is a good signal. It's just the markets we're in now. If the SPY continues to pull back, these will pull back. If the SPY actually catches a bid, these might actually pop. These might actually be all right. Gosh, well, or do we get the death drop into the close today? Wouldn't that be crazy? You take your calls. Did you take calls or puts on test? We bought calls. This is a lotto play. They expire today. If we get a big push, $2-3 push, oh man, these are going to go. These will go to $1.25 easily. But now they're chopping them around. Back to 74 cents, guys. Back to break even. If you can't take pain, take these off. As you can see, we go down. They're going to 50 cents now. They go up. They could go to over $1. Yeah, crooks alert. Yeah, oh yeah. It's such. Yeah. All right, guys. 77 cents on these now. They're going off at 80 by 92, 83 cents. All right, come on. One more push. What time is it? All right. Yeah, we close up here. That's pretty good, guys. We got to close above this little candle here, the last one. We got about 30 seconds left to this. 88 cents are going off at now. If you can't handle a loss, start 90 cents, guys. Start chiseling them. I'm holding, guys. I'm going to take these to zero if I have to. 0 to 0, baby. And I'm not all in, believe me. I would just like some drinks and maybe some food and an appetizer like the casino, guys. All right, so 90 cents. All right. Here we go. Here you go. 90 cents. Oh, one more push, guys. We got to get over this can. If we could get over this one here, we could get over that 215 area, we might actually run. So the last ones, 40 of them went off at 90 cents, guys, or 90 bucks. They're trying. They are trying. I might just exit, guys. We'll see. Come on, one more push to 215. Come on. All right, let's do this now. All right, since we're doing this is real short-term trading, I'm going to go from a fib from here to here. Yeah, 215.12. We got to get above that area. That's going to be the 7 or the 250 coming up. Markets continue to sell, though. We're going to be in trouble. Damn, what a nice bounce. So we got the bounce. Just I don't think we're – this is a tough one. I wish it was 211. Then for sure I'd be like a little bit more convinced. Yeah, look at that. 80 cents. They're going down to 70 cents now. Woo! If these go down, guys, it's going to zero quick. So just be careful. See me going to talk. Oh, no way. Are you serious? Oh, my gosh. Can't make this shit up, Mike. So it's tanking. It's like, all right, bring someone out. Hurry. We need higher prices. So someone maybe 220 is the area. Oh, my gosh. That would be sweet. Push this thing. Push it. Wall Street crooks. Damn, look at that. All right, come on. 75, we're right back to break even again. Jeez. It's holding that area, though. So I'm looking at the right spot, but just, these are vicious, these options. Come on. We got to close above this candle and 215. If we get above that in the neck, gosh, and we don't have a lot of time, guys. We still have an hour 20 left. They got after the commercial. Tonight at 7, Elon tweets. All right. Holy crap. But David, no, we have calls on Tesla right now. Can't buy puts at the lows. No way. Right now, guys, they're going out. They were popping at 85, 78, 80. Again, if you went all in and you're sweating on these, just pull them off for a small gain, guys. I'm going to hold them. I want to see if we could get that one last pop. And like David said, or somebody said, Mike said, they're going to talk about Tesla after the commercial break. Ay. So that could be good or bad, guys. These are popping off at 76, guys. 76. So again, if you can't take it, sometimes you sit in these too long, they'll take you to the house, or to the cleaner, I should say, or to the woodshed. Chop chop. All right, come on, one good push. God, we need that FU short squeeze push, guys. We need Elon to tweet. Come on, Elon, 420. All right, guys, 84. They're popping off at. Man, they're trying. If this news is good, woo! We're probably going back to they're going to have to try to recapture the 217 area if it's good. Come on, pump it for us. One time, one pump. That's all we're asking. It's not asking much. But if the SPY starts dumping, we could be in trouble. So maybe, though, we get that one last push. All right, guys, 83. You guys having fun yet? So if you're new to the room, go to StockBookie.com, sign up. If you win on this trade, you better sign up, right? All right, 83 by 88 are the options at. So 83, they just went off. 85, they're popping. Come on, one good push. We still have plenty of time on this candle. Got to get above this green candle here. 85. Let's do this. SPY's trying to hold again. SPY starts going up. That should help the trade. Guys, all the members should be out of their put positions other than the 524s. And that you should have sold twice, and you should be totally in the driver's seat. Just to let you guys know. All right, let's see here. Oh, my gosh, that lotto play was classic today, though. We've been hitting those pretty good. All right, 88 cents now, guys. All right, come on. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. All right, guys. I'm on another computer here too, so get ready. I'm just going to tell you guys. I'm not going to show you or anything. I'm getting ready. Getting ready. 98 cents, guys. 95. Come on. One more push. Come on. Damn it. All right, guys. These were going off at 98. Gosh, we get above 115. They're going to a buck something. Oh, when's the commercial on, guys? Let me know. Let me know. I don't have CNBC on. Oh, they're talking now. All right, cool. Autopilot incident. Oh, okay. Oh, that might be bad. Uh-oh. That might not be good. All right, guys, these went to 98. So, if you're a pig like me, yeah, you should have been dumping some of these. 95s are going off. 98 was the high. 96s. Now they're back to 77. Yeah, the autopilot shit. So be careful with this one. Maybe that's why we were dumping today hard. Who knows? But bottom line, next 5 minutes, we got to get above this green candle and try to recapture this 215. If we get above that, we could start rolling here. Right now, we're not looking at too many other things, guys. Now, just focusing on this. See if we could get these things going here. They're back to 77 cents. They're going off at 73 by 87. So trying. Oh gosh, more lip service. I can't. In these markets, the news stresses me out more than trading. The trading part's easy. The shitty part's when you're in a trade and you're looking and you're like, all right, cool, here they go, and all of a sudden out of the blue you get the spike up, and it's like, what the hell? And then you look, it's like Trump tweeted. It's like, really? Holy crap! Elon tweet? No, he did. Did he tweet? No, he didn't. Nah. Ant, did he tweet? Oh my gosh, no way. Don't short my stock, and then. Hey, I'll take it right now. 92, they went off, guys. One went off at 92, 80. They're back to like 80 cents now. Yeah, come on, baby. Yeah, right. Well, looks like this was the area right now, at least. We'll see if it holds. Got one good push. These will be popping off at 150. All right, guys, they're back to, they're popping off at 90, 92, 80, 92. Yeah, they're all, it's all over the place now. Yeah, I do. It is on there on my site. Yeah, that's my site, StockBookie.com. No, I do have the HTTPS. I have security on there. All right, love this shit. I know, right? Wishful thinking. Oh gosh, they're taking us down now. 65 cents. Nah, we should have been pulling them off at 95 and said thank you very much. Still have a little bit of time in the day though. It's so overdue for a good squeeze, guys. So overdue. Yeah, no, I have HTTPS. It's all secure. Yeah. So maybe you're on the wrong site, but no, I have security on there. All right, guys. So these are going off to 65. Damn, they are shaking and baking these. Come on, jeez. But thank God, you got to wait for these and wait. And then once you start seeing this, not that it's going to hold, markets hold, they could. My gosh, though. Unbelievable. All right, they're back at square one, guys. 75 again. If you can't take it, cut them. Don't be a hero to zero. Just say, hey, we gave it a shot. And just let us know, though, if you took the break even, because as soon as you guys start popping these off, it should go up. Like always. You guys know how it works. As soon as you sell something, there it goes. Yay. Just how it works, guys. It's the name of the game. Yeah, the autopilot. Forgot about that. I did see something of that news with the autopilot shit. Didn't it happen a couple months ago or something like that, or weeks ago? Nah, damn it. That kind of ruined our little story here. They were probably hoping, hey, we'll throw someone on and hopefully it will pop. But you got to think, though, these guys with these options, these institutional players, they have people all over the place. It's like, hey, throw on Bob. Put him on CNBC. Tell him about Tesla. We need this damn thing at 220, And all of a sudden, out of the blue, it's like, oh my gosh. It's like, you got to be kidding me here. It's like, here we go again. Here goes Bob. Awesome. All right, let's see what happens. These things are getting killed now. 67. Yeah, see, everyone has the same idea like me. Buy the dip. All right, 67. And one $2 squeeze, guys, to 216. Oh my gosh. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. All right, they're at 72 cents. Yeah, we got to get over this green candle. If we don't, now if this thing keeps chopping, guys, sideways, not good. This thing's got to get above this area. It's got to start going, or we're going to be in deep doo-doo. So, but now, smaller pattern up sideways, a little bit of a micro bullish pattern here. Overall, though, we're down sideways, so it's a little bit weaker underneath the MAs. But all you need is some good news. They got it, to pop it back above the 20. That will make people feel a little bit more warm and fuzzy about holding their position. That's why, it's willing. Hey, let's give this one a shot, see if this holds. Again, if this breaks, we're going to 210 or 211. That will be it. That will be it for this one. Another bad day on Wall Street. No. All right, guys, let's see what happens here. Yeah, I am going on vacation, though, guys, in July. So I will not be here for a week. And I honestly don't know. I don't even know what they have on the ship at this point. Last time I took a cruise, I want to say maybe 2 years ago, maybe a year ago. Time goes by so fast. And yeah, I don't even know what they had, to be honest with you. Last vacation we were at Universal and Disney. They have the Wi-Fi there, so I had action there. Thank God that we had the BA trade short, and we made a killing on that trade off the terrible news. But we were short BA. We took the money and ran, and I held some short in a swing trade as well. You too, bud? Yeah. Yeah, I tell everybody, and all my members, you got to take vacations away from this shit. You got to take time off, reset, because, man, like days like today and this week, everything news, it just drives you fucking nuts. Excuse my language, guys, but my gosh. It's like today, it was like, it was actually, SPY was looking pretty good. I'm going to put up the SPY here, guys. I got Tesla on another screen here. So let me keep an eye on Tesla. Yeah, we still got to get over 214.58 and then 215 on Tesla. But right here was the China or the Mexico Canada tariffs, and it was like, all right, cool, we're chopping around, and then all of a sudden pop. It was like, what? It was like, huh? Are you kidding me? So, but that's what they're giving us right now, guys. Tesla's at 60 cents right now, guys. Not doing too good, coming down a little bit. Again, though, these are lotto plays, guys. It's worth a shot. Good volume. They were just taking this thing down. That's where you want to try to go, buy it. Right now, markets are chopping, not doing much. If we do catch a bid, though, that could help the Tesla trade. So it won't help our SPY put, but what are you going to do? we're out until 24 on those other puts, and we pulled nice profits off. So it's kind of like, all right, whatever. Still don't like the decay. Right now, they're decaying the puts, guys. They're taking every put under 280, probably 7 to 0. Nice. Good job on those puts, guys. But hey, when you short them, that's a beautiful thing. I believe I'm leaving the day after 4th of July on the 6th to the next Saturday to Saturday, I believe. So it'd be the week of, let's see here. Like I said, I don't know if I'll have access. Let me look at the dates. Yeah, the 8th through the 12th, I'll be out. I mean, I don't know if I'll have access, but I'm not going to pay, $10 a minute to be on the internet out there. Yeah, it'll cost me $4,000 to run a show from the cruise ship. Yeah, that's not going to happen. So, but again, I tell everybody on that week, just take it off. Go enjoy life, unless there's something big happening. And I'll have my broker, I talk to them, hey, and I'll probably put in stop outs just in case if the markets bomb. I'll be in mostly the high flyers, but the short-term trades I will not be in. I'll have those all off. I'll still be in the high flyers. Those are fine. As long as you're a small position in those. All right, guys, 48 cents, 50 cents, those are going off. These could be done. Damn. They did go to 98 though. That little pop, that little thing, but still have a little time, an hour left, but you start seeing these big orders go through, guys. That's most likely they're shorting puts right now. That's what they're doing. These are going off at 49. Damn, just couldn't get it. And markets are slowly grinding in now. Google's at the lows of the day. Yeah, nothing's really happening. And then that news didn't help us. It started popping a little bit. All right, guys, 40, 47 on these. Damn. Well, you had break even. You had your chance. You had your chance to make a little bit of money. If you didn't, then hey, oink oink. These are weekly options that expire today, guys. You get a little more downside. That's it. And then you're above price on the puts. That's even worse. You're above price, and they start taking it away from that price. It's like really they just go. They're going to go to zero. So remember, when you're taking these trades, just know they expire today. Small positions, they were at what, 75 cents. What do take $150 worth. If you can't lose 150, then don't take the trade. If you can't lose 75, then don't take the trade. Just think, if you're walking into a casino and you can lose $500, then that's probably your max. If you can't, then what's your max position in a casino, or walking into a casino? What's your max that you can lose? That's why when I go to the casino, guys, I might bring $1,000 and I'll bring cash. I won't bring credit cards, nothing. Makes it easier. Makes it easier when you're getting your head handed to you, because then you can't go to the ATM and get out. Oh, I got another $1,000. I can do this. I can win on this blackjack table. Damn it. No, you can't. They're taking all your money slowly. So this is total casino play, just like the lottos earlier on the SPY. Boom, we got paid on those. Boom, we got, well, it's still not over on this one. Still holding this low. As long as we're holding this, but they chop this thing around another 20, 30 minutes, guys. It's not looking pretty. Now they're going off at 50 cents. 58 cents, right? Take your money, guys, if you can't lose. Yeah, I take like 3 to 4 vacations a year, guys. I have 3 kids. I am taking them and having some fun. We had a great year last year. There's nothing better than, taking my kids out and doing stuff with them. Little brats. I bought my kid a motorcycle too. He's 9 years old. We're hammering down the street on it in my neighborhood. My neighbors love me. It's like, when back for it. It's like, oh gosh. But yeah, he's learning how to ride dirt bikes right now. Little dirt bikes. He plays baseball. I love my son. I have 2 daughters too, but my son, he's the man. He's the man. All right, guys. Hey, they're going off at 65 cents. We can do this. We can. Holy cow. All right, guys. Where are they? 70 cents. So now we're almost back to break even. For all you guys who didn't take any profits, sitting in like a pig like me, we're back to sell. They're going off 70. They're trying. 72, 70. Ah, man, it just can't get going, guys. Look at that. They held the SPY up long enough to take care of all these puts expiring today. Holy crap. It's pretty incredible, guys, what these markets do to people. That's why I try to teach my guys small positions right now, guys. Don't be a hero, especially even in Tesla, guys. You don't have to be a hero. If you took if you took four of these, couple $100, these double, you make 300, you get out. I don't know if they're going to double, but even if they go 50%, guys, get out. All right, still holding. Oh, man. I like what I'm seeing here, though, guys. Really. I mean, we're holding this. We're holding these low pivots. We just got to get back above 215. I mean, or even 215.12. That'll make me feel a little better. We still have time, though. We still have an hour. We still have an hour for them to take our money. Remember, when you're in the trains a little longer, they will try to take your money. I think more people are trying to buy down here, though. So they gave them a little flush, the FU flush, get everybody, shake them all out. and then they'll bring it back up to the 218. And everyone who was buying up here, who sold down here, they'll start chasing it. That's their little bullshit market maker game. Shake them out, let them chase, because all these guys who bought here, sold here, they're going to start buying around here again. This thing pops 216, 217. Oh my God, I'm missing it now. They can't handle it. Right? Damn, short puts again, guys. Short puts again on the SPY. Frickin' trade. Could have done that every day this week. But hey, we got paid on the put, so we're happy. We're happy at Bookie Land. All right, so not much. Market's kind of sleeping. Trump's not really popping it. He couldn't throw out enough trade news guys out there to really get this thing going again. Could we though? Could this be another sell into the close? That will be interesting. All right, guys. So it's not bad. Up, sideways, a little bit micro bullish, macro bear. Still in a bearish position, but a little bit micro bullish. But we got to get above this area here and start popping. All right, Apple's just sitting around. Netflix really doing nothing. Nvidia trying to make a bottom there. Google still kind of fading. Tesla just chopping around here, killing everybody. Hey, we're back to 52 cents as we go on. This guy has to move now, guys. If it goes down to the lows, we're done. All right. Let's see here. What else? Amazon down only 12. Nothing bad, but BA trying to lead the way again, guys, on that news. We made a software update. The FAA hasn't looked at it yet, but hey, we're close. We're close. It's almost fixed. God. Just throw it out there. It's got to be good news. Anything good's good. You know, it's just like, geez. Or better yet, do we get a short squeeze on this one? Because all the shorts are like, I'm done. This thing's we just got another, $14 on this one. They got to do something here, guys. Come on, baby. All right, if we all cheer, if we all yell at the screen at once, that will do. Oh, man. Flipping donkey. All right, guys. Uh-oh. Spy's coming in now. Uh-oh. That's not going to help. All right, guys. I'm out, guys. I'm out of these at 53. I'm done. I'm not messing around. All right, guys. If you want to hold, you can hold. I'm out at 53, guys. I had 15 contracts. That's it. I'm done. Crap. I looked up SPY's starting to dump. It's like, all right, that's enough for me. Damn it. Yeah, oh God, we're starting to come in now. Yeah, see, look at that. SPY comes in, we're done. These are at 28 cents. So I'm out at 53, guys. That's it. I'm done. Gosh, damn it. Should have pulled them off. Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. You can't even make this shit up, guys. So now the SPY's done. Maybe we do end up at the lows of the day. All right, guys, I'm out of that. News trying to update, negotiate. Oh, jeez. All right, I'm out of the Teslas. Well, if you're a member, you know what I did. So, damn it. Oh, well. Now it's going to pop probably. Yeah, shoot. All right, well, if you're holding them, great. If you're not, what are you going to do? I'm sure now they'll go. Well, they're at 40 cents now. I just didn't like, you know what? Yeah, it's just like, damn. Yeah, still they can still go as long as we hold this area. They still go. If the SPY dumps out, we're going to 210. Damn, they're at 43 cents, guys. They went to 98 too. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Small enough. Take my little loss, and that's it. Move on. Time to move on, guys. That's it. Damn it. We got out though, so I'm most likely it'll pop. Why not? Yeah, well, I looked up and I'm seeing this and seeing that. It's like, oh shit, here we go. This thing, I mean, we go right back to the lows today, guys. This bullshit rally could mean nothing today. Wow. I was looking at some other options, 286s, guys. They were at like 4 cents. They popped to 20 cents on this pop. 4 cents to 20 cents. We get another move like this, those 20 cents are going to 50 cents. Wow. There's some selling in this size, guys. Teslas are holding up, though. Teslas are almost 50 cents again. Markets come in, though, guys. Tesla's going lower. It's still a good area for Tesla, guys. If you want to buy some puts, go out a little, give yourself a couple weeks. That's all I can say. Yeah, you know, Scorpion, it's just like, seriously? Yeah, I'll show your comment. That's how we feel right now, Scorpion. Fudge! Right? Well, how do you trade this? All right, guys, I'm in some puts now. No. Tesla is holding up all right, though. It could still get a move. I mean, it's trying, unless the markets just total dump out, then Tesla will go lower. But they're testing at 45 cents now, guys. The low was actually 27 cents. They went back to almost 50. There was the trade, guys. But yeah, if the SPY's dumping, I'm just let everything go, guys. On Sunday night or Monday morning, they'll recycle the news. Yeah, every day, Mike, every day. China trade, close. China trade, close. And then 3 days later, oh, it's not close. And then 3 days later, China trade, China trade. And today, the Mexico-Canada trade. Oh, my gosh. They're running out of shit, guys. Right? They're throwing anything that could stick to this. If we dump out, this will be nuts. Oh, my gosh. Hey, good thing with those Tesla calls. So yeah, just get the hell out of those at this point, guys. If we die, I mean, we could dump. Maybe this is just a nasty ass sell going into the close. I hope we get another Sunday dump. Maybe desperate. Yeah, they are desperate. They're anything that will that stick? No. Well, that Mexico trade news now. It's like, huh? Wow, guys, those 4-cent puts on the SPY 286 515s or 5 cent are 32 cents now. Holy smackdown. Oh my God, we can go to the lows, guys. Get out of the Teslas. Hey, I'm feeling pretty good about that 53 center now. Holy crap, guys. Look at this. Woo! Is everybody having fun now? Oh man, we could get a dump here. Damn. Yeah, Tesla though, holding though. Pretty impressed. Come on, one more dump. We got the 50 MA. You got the 20 MA over here. You got the 50% retrace right around the 286.25. So you got some support there. Should have gone with the SPY Lotto puts. Yeah, you know what? We took those. I took some of those profits, went to the calls. Teslas are still alive, though. I mean, if this thing goes right up, they will stay alive. But we had profits on them. I didn't take them. I should have. When they were hitting 98 a buck, I should have been like, done, out the door. Thank you very much. Whoa, Tesla, though. Now they're going off at 33 cents. Oh, man, we could dump out. Seriously. We could click over on this one and just continue, guys. Nothing to do. Just let it go. If it does hit the 200 MA, maybe short some puts at the end of the day. Yeah, those lotto puts right here, guys. Oh, that was classic shit. Oh, they're probably flying now. I don't even have them up anymore. I got in, got out, got the hell. Said thank you. On to the next one. Yeah, I'm not messing around anymore with this shit. That's why Tesla's cut them. Done. Gave it a shot. But it is holding that area, Tesla. Pretty impressed. Markets continue dumping, though. Teslas will go lower. Man, look at the IWM. Back to the lows. Damn, we should have been. And I didn't hold those. Look at that. Right back to the lows, double bottom, guys. Let's see if this one goes. You got the trend line down here still, too. I am not doing anything right now, guys. We're in some puts on the SPY still. The Tesla calls, I am done. They are out for a small loss. I don't care, whatever. Yeah, I mean, this is how do you trade that? Wow. Damn it. We did have money, though. We did make profits on it. Just couldn't get the bounce. Again, though, Tesla will bounce. You want to have something in that one, just in case. Uh-oh, got my mom calling now. Are you seeing this? Yes, I am. Let's see here. Now we're 59 down. Man, the NASDAQ's getting hammered pretty good now. Wow, what a sell-off. We could get some pure ass kicking at today. This whole rally here, bullshit. This whole rally here, bullshit. This whole rally here, bullshit, guys. News. Just keep. Ooh, look at this. All right, guys. Keep an eye on those. If you remember, the 524 puts. All right. 524 puts. Bring. Keep an eye on those. Wow. This is crazy, guys. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I got to keep an eye on those puts too. So keep an eye on the 524s, guys. If you're in them, if they start rocking and rolling, we're gonna just take them off and see like F you. See you next week, or maybe pull off a little bit more because we pull it off, then again. Yeah, they're trading at 325 now. So let's see what we get. Gosh, if we start dumping on this candle, guys. Tesla, we're done. They're 16 cents now. Get the hell out. That was the right move. Yeah, it's so hard to trade against this shit, guys. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, come on. One big dump. Let's take it to the lows. And IWM new lows of the day. Qs are coming close, guys. SPYs continue to sell. Watch for this area here. This was the first area of resistance when we got the news. So 285.67. If that cracks, guys, I think we're going to the lows of the day. And we might actually fill this gap today, so be ready. Be ready. Holy cow, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, didn't see that one coming. Hey, throw out trying to trade close now. Bring out Codlow. Markets close at the lows of the day. Load up on the SPY puts. No. No. Then you're going over the weekend. You should be in the 524s, D, if you're a member. And those are clicking off right now at 330. We got back in at those at 206 today. Just let it fall, guys. That's why each and every day, I maybe buy some we're already in some SPY puts for next week. We're in the total driver's seat. So if we do go down, great. But then next week we'll probably just short puts then. I don't know if they're going to pump this one today. This is crazy. Damn, look at that. Took it right back down, guys. Here they come, though. They're like, we can't let this happen today. No way. Throw out some more trade news. Anything at this point. Yeah, see this whole bullshit. Oh, bullshit, guys. Look at this. Look at this candle. Just takes it down. Wow, Tesla calls, guys, 15 cents. Should have shorted them. Yeah, that low cracked. So that was it. We're done. So if you're in the trade, it's over. So 210 is probably the next area. If the SPY continues to dump, though, forget about it. Forget about it. Damn, look at this. There's no 5-0 retrace right here, right around the 286.28. Oh, yeah, that's the big level now. Who really was holding them since morning. That's all right. It's okay. Did you make money, though? As long as you make money, who cares? Don't look back. And we should have taken the Teslas off at 98. Too late. I sold at 53 out. Done. What are you going to do? SPY sells like this, guys, nothing holds up. Look at Apple even. That's why I explained to all you guys and my members, it's a market trade, guys. You see the SPY sell? Look what happens to Apple. Down. Look what happens to Google. Down. Look what happens to Amazon. If I could get that in. Yeah, it was close. It was close. AMZN. If I could. All right, let's try that again. AMZN. Amazon selling. All selling, guys. Everything. Look at Netflix. Look at NVIDIA. And everyone, what do we do with NVIDIA? Well, buy puts. No, it's easy. But look at that. Everything's a market trade. SPY starts to go up. This will start bouncing. Maybe now we buy the Tesla calls at 13 cents. Now, that would be a ballsy trade, huh, guys? Tesla at 13 cents. Buying calls, guys. Right? No, I'm not touching anything right now, guys. I'm kidding with you. Yeah, I wouldn't hold over the weekend either. I'm going to hold the SPY puts. We bought them, sold them, bought them, sold them. Now we're holding a small position. So I'm letting them go, guys. Unless this thing totally dumps out, then I'll get rid of them. Damn, we could. We still have plenty of time, too. 45 minutes, guys, to take this thing out. They're in there, though. So someone's getting screwed, a big money, big institution. They're gonna fight this tooth and nail, guys. Someone came in here and was like, surprise! We're We're selling. Oh, shit. That wasn't on the menu, was it? One more just like this. Oh, man. Take it right to these lows. Look at them fight, though. They're fighting now. Yeah, I'm tempted to take these Teslas, but yeah. Oh, man. We need the markets to go up. The market's flush again. It's all going down, guys. They're trying, though. Look at NVIDIA, though. Man, flushing that. Qs, IWM trying to hold on now. That was in a little ugly sell candle, though, let me tell you. It was like, woo, look at that. Damn, those 4-cent options on the SPY went to 53 cents. Holy. We go one more. They're probably going to $1. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, come on. Just let's have some fun here. Total flush at the end of the day. Then everyone will be like, but they made a Mexico-Canada deal today. They did. No, they didn't. Did they sign anything? No, they didn't sign anything. There's no deal. It's like when you buy a house, guys. You don't move in without signing the deal. Until the deal's signed with buying a house, you're not getting into the house. You can't say, oh, we're close. Can we move in? No, I want to move all my furniture in. We're really close. No, the deal's not signed. How are you going to move in? Yeah, but we're close. I promise. It's the same shit, guys. I want to move my furniture in. No, the deal, we haven't signed the mortgage papers yet. Yeah, but we are today. And it's 3 weeks from now. Are they signed yet? No, but we're close. Can we move in again? No, you can't. Oh, man, unbelievable. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, just flush it for one time already. Show us what you can do. Look at the volume coming in too, guys. All right, here we go. Next area, 285.70. If that cracks, we're going to 285, possibly lower. I am not stepping up in front of this freight train. Let it fall. Let it fall. If you're in puts, start chiseling some off. We are in the 524s. They're clicking off at 340 now. If you're in that trade, we did pull some off. If you want to pull some more off, pull some more. If you remember here, we're kicking ass and taking names. Well, Tesla kicked our ass twice, but hey, that's the name of the game, guys. I don't care. Lotto's paid us. Those put plays paid us. The 524s paid us. The Qs paid us. The IWMs paid us. And the list goes on. Holy crap, guys. We could actually flush to the lows today. Look at the Qs dumping now. IWM's coming in. Look at the volume coming in. Now, I would say this is probably a small hedge fund selling, probably. Maybe a small institutional player. You get some more to the party, guys. Volume really starts picking up. Hold on to your hats. Next area, too, right here, 285.39. You have the 50 MA on the week, on the 60-minute time frame. We're back below the 50 MA on the daily as well. That's their goal in life right now, is get it back above the 50. So watch out for the little squeeze into the close, possibly. I don't know. Right now, we are almost in a confirming downtrend as well going into the close. We're not there yet, but it's really flipping close. Not that we're going to dump. We still have light volume. We still only have 65 million on the day. Popped into the green. Yep. All right. So keep an eye on these guys. If you are short and put, or if you're in puts or any short plays, guys, just start pulling them off, guys. Don't be a pig. We're only holding the SPY into the weekend. That's it. Unless this thing totally flushes out, I will dump those. Actually, no. I will save a couple. If I bought 50 contracts, I will hold on to 5. Then I cannot lose. And if we get a massive sell next week, I'll still be positioned short. I am short shares, so a bunch of high flyers. So as long as this thing comes down, guys, they're all coming in. Nice. Look at this. Damn, Tesla. Just couldn't. We got that, guys. That's it. Tesla's done. You got to know when to fold them, guys. Thank God for that. Wow. I mean, this is what we're battling, guys, every day. Excuse me, guys. Wow, IWM stuff. God, I wish we would have held those IWMs. Damn it. I don't even, honestly, I don't even want to look at them. They got to be terrorizing right now. There's someone's coming in here, though. Maybe 286 is the number. People are freaking right now. They're all like, oh, look at this. All right, cool. These are going to expire right around 287.50, and then all of a sudden dump. Yeah, we're getting wind again in Phoenix. Squeezing? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I don't know if you want to take those Teslas, guys. They're at 15 bucks a piece. I'm not, but yeah, if we flush, everything's going to flush with it. Look at that. They're trying to hold this shit, though, guys. But volume's coming in, so there's some sellers coming in. It's going to be a little bit harder for Uncle Jerome to hold this shit when volume starts picking up. We would have 180 million on the SPY right now. Still not in the confirming downtrend, but it's really, really close. If that starts confirming down, I think we're going to hit the lows of the day. All right, we're clicking over 1220. Next scan, we got to get below here, and then this thing will start coming in. But they're not going to make it that easy, guys. Not going to make it that easy. Gosh, if we get one more like this, guys, like who was saying that? Yeah, rugged. Yeah, you don't want to hold over the weekend. I mean, we do. We hold shorts over the weekend. We got some high flyers, like on Shop. If you're short that one, I mean, it might go higher, but God, it's worth holding. Damn, look at this action. Then they're like, oh, wait, Trump tweeted again. China trade, really close. G20. Come on, you can do it, Trump. Look at this. This is all on Trump. China trade, not close. Oh, my gosh. But the Mexico-Canada one is close, so that matters, right? Man, you can't even make this shit up, guys. Seriously. You just can't. Trading on news, 50-50 shot, guys. This is the Wall Street casino, so be careful. If we flush, everything's going down with it, guys. If you are short shares in any of these positions and they're popping off, if you got better position than me or better price, start taking them off, guys. Don't be waiting. Zebra's coming in nice, though, guys. Finally, another one. Time will come for all these pieces of crap. Stall chat. Yeah, exactly. Oh, but the deal was close. Come on, Codlow, come out. Tell everybody we're there. We're flying. They're flying in right now from China. Oh, man. It's just unbelievable. After all that, since December 3rd, guys, it's close. China trade, G20. They're meeting. They're walking together. The president of China and then Trump, they're walking together. Oh, my, the deals. I can see a paper in his hand. It's close. They're signing it. They got a crayon out. They're doing it with a crayon. That must be a special meaning or something. They'll pump it, whatever. Oh, right. Oh, Trump and I think, what's his name? Z? Is it Z or Zi or something like that? I don't even know. All right, guys. So, and they're shaking and baking. One more like this. Everyone will be like, what the F? What the F was that? It's right here. All the longs were like, told you so. And then it was like, right here it was like, told you so. And now it's like, oh, shit. What's going on here? Yeah, no, nothing's squeezing if this thing drops. They'll probably try to get Apple going, into the close, maybe Amazon going, or maybe they do give it an old-fashioned ass kicking right into the close. We haven't had an old-fashioned Friday close where it just dumps into the, right into the closing bell. Haven't seen one of those in a while. They're fighting right now. They're going to try everything they can. Keep going. You can do it. Just pump it, Jerome, pump it. But where we're at, guys, 286 even number. So that's just natural support. Shit, look at this crap. Bounce it. Hurry. Come on, seller. Phantom seller once again. Man, if they close them at the lows, holy crap, they're just killing more people. All right, guys, there we go again. Maybe Mexico, Canada news, all fixed. Woo! All right. Awesome. I guess it's fixed again, people. Yay. Look at the IWM even bouncing around. Oh, geez, here we go again. Oh, man. And then the volume disappears, guys, and this is what we get. Same bullshit. If the volume would stay heavy, if it's to keep picking up, we will keep selling. If it dries up again, they'll come right in, underlying bid, and push it up. That's their goal in life right now, the Federal Reserve and the central banks. Light volume, they could push. Heavy volume, like these guys, Not doing shit here, boys and girls. That starts to disappear, though. Then they'll get that. They're already coming in. We have 5 minutes in this candle. It's really not heavy volume yet. They're already coming in. Say the PPT, plunge protection team, guys. Holy shit, we can't have this happen. And the sad part is the Fed, they have a trading desk. We're trading against the flipping Fed, guys. It's fucking ridiculous. Man, I'm dropping the F-bombs today, boys. Boys and girls. This rally here just had me wired up. It was like you unbelievable Wall Street crooks. And then they throw the Mexico Canada right here as it's coming in basin above this 250 retrace. Then they throw the Canada trade shit in there. Jeez. It's like, all right, when all else fails, we got Canada, Mexico tariffs we can throw out and say, oh, well, Trump's going to put a hold on those. Huh? Again, like I always say, guys, when the Washington babies can't make decisions, Wall Street will make them make decisions. Kind of like here on the G20. It was all China trade, and they still haven't made a deal. So they're going to start making them think again here, guys. This was like, China's close. This was earnings. China trade deal, 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 earnings. How many times can you do that? Tesla shorts covering soon? Yeah, but if the SPY's dumping, it's not going higher. I know. If this thing goes, Tesla's go. It's all. I mean, they're at 15 cents now. Gosh, God, look at the underlying bid, guys. Volume lightens up, and they're just in there. Oh, hurry, go buy. That's what happens when you have trillions of dollars and you're running out of ammo, guys. You just get under there and push it up. As long as the volume stays around 50 million, you're fine. Just push it every day and then throw out news. Remember, this was the Walmart rally. Oh, man. Remember 2 years ago when Amazon was taking over every retailer? Now it's Walmart. They're better than everybody now. And then next week it will be Amazon's taking over the world again. JK, you like that? It is. Every other day. One moment it's markets in turmoil on CNBC, and the next moment it is, how high can the markets go? Time to buy. Let's bring on Warren Buffett and Becky. Hey, Becky, how's it going? Hi, Warren. Hi, Becky. Sit on my lap. I'll tell you what I bought today. Let's tell everybody I bought more Apple. I bought more Amazon, and I'm starting to buy Google now at the highs too. I got my $1 billion position, but I still have 42 billion just in case it falls. That's the thing he talks out of the right side of his mouth, and then the left side, he's like, yeah, but I have nothing. I'll buy more if Amazon goes down to 500. Everyone else will be in margin call because they're all in. They can't help themselves. That's your average trader, guys, all in. I got to do it. Can't help myself. Feels good. Feels good when you're white knuckling and having diarrhea all day because you went all in on a trade, you know. Nothing worse. Nothing worse than stock twist. Hate me. But I've been calling it. I said if it cracks that 230 area, it's going lower. Guess what, guys? Crack 230, going lower. Pretty simple. Yeah, those calls are done. 13 cents now. I think even if Tesla popped, they wouldn't even go. Unless you got a $3-4 pop. You're at 215s, you're too far out of the money at 212. Look at this thing. No, they're trying. They know they can't bring it down. It's got to stay above this pivot right now. Here they come. Wall Street crooks. Hey, everything's good again. Let's bring it right back up. Oh no, that China trade. No, that was the wrong tweet. Fat finger. Oh my gosh, look at this shit. Here they come. What happened, guys? Volume lightens up. What happens? Push it up. Okay, now if we had more volume, see how this volume a little bit lighter. What are we doing? I mean, it usually works that way. It's not 100% all the time, but it gets lighter. Here they come. God, fucking crook bastards. My gosh. Everything's fixed again. Someone needs prices up here, guys. They were just chopping around, having a good old time. This is easy. And then the fat finger, boom. Now they're pissed. The bulls are pissed. So they're like, every little bit, unlike volume, they're going to try to push this thing up. That fat finger trader comes in again, pushes it down. They're going to eat nothing. Nothing, guys. Ah, damn it. Unbelievable. Let's just get this over with, guys. I want a real market for one time. Just once. One time, a real market with no news. That's it. It's tough to trade in these market conditions, guys. Calls or puts. You're buying calls right here going, yeah, I'm in the driver's seat. And all of a sudden, you go take a dump, you come back, and 2 minutes later, you're like, whoa, what the hell happened? And then you look at the news, and then you look for news, guys. China trade deal, not even close. But the Mexican-Canada deal, almost close, almost there. It's like, what? All right, and sometimes, guys, this is the fake out. Get everybody on board and then drop it down. Oh, man. Phantom seller comes in. I think they're going to take it to the 200 MA. But I don't know. I don't care either. Whatever, guys. Yeah, what a day. Unbelievable. All on news. Every move today on news, guys. Consumer sentiment, the highest it's ever been since 2004. China trade deal, not done. Canada-Mexico deal, done. China trade deal, not even close. It's like, what? And it gets to a point where Wall Street's going to be like, F you guys, we're done. We're done dealing with your bullshit. Now we're just going to dump it in your face. And then when we dump it, we'll we'll let you know, hey, Mr. Trump, we're going to dump it in your face until you guys can make a decision. And all the news you guys are pumping out, we're done with it. Okay, so make a decision and make it now, or we're just going to keep this thing selling. Just like they did in December, guys. Same shit. Yeah, oh yeah. Elon Musk, yeah. Nah, he's got money. 11 cents now on those options. Thank God we got out of those. See you effing later. All right, guys, I have no idea what the market's going to bring us at this point. Well, if we do start catching double bottom, watch for the gap fill down in here. That could possibly fill at 285 or so. That will be some good support. But if it cracks right through there, then you're looking at this area here. I do have a trend line in here. Put that in there earlier. So that could possibly be in play today. Who knows? The rate we're going. We could. I mean, this candle took it down here. You get one more candle, it's going to take it right down to here. But on this area, 285, we could get the bigger bounce. But I won't do it. I might. The 2 or the 524 puts, I might pull the rest of those off. What are those going off at? Yeah, no, they're at 322. The high was 330, 340 on these. We got back in at 206. We sold some right around 3, and then now they're almost at 350 now. So, all right, guys, starting to come in again. God, maybe we get 30 minutes of just bleeding. Wouldn't that be nuts? But that will make Trump go, ooh. And then he'll throw out tweets, and then every time he tweets good news, it will start going down. And that's when everyone's like, what the hell is going on now? Yeah, weekday or work day. Yeah, I mean, right now we're trading against the SPY. Let it bounce up and down. I'm not doing anything, guys. I'm sitting on my hands, just letting the markets do what it's got to do. Hopefully they go down. I can get out some more of these puts, and that's it. Yeah. Oh, God, yeah. Another rate cut. I think if they do that, guys, the markets are going to tank. Because for 2 years, they've been telling everybody how good the market is. We're going to raise rates. Everything's fine. And now they're looking for a rate cut. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, negative. Yeah, that helps. Japan's so lost. I think they're on QE32 now. Yeah, we're going to do it again. It's been working. They don't even know what to do anymore. Or do what China does. You can't short stocks. You just got to buy them. Sorry. You're like, huh? As the whole market's tanking, they tell you that you can't short stocks. It's like, what? Yeah, that's how we want America, guys. Like China. You can't do anything. People want a socialist country. Talk to Venezuela. See how that's working for them. And then Bernie Sanders, political crap I can't stand, but free everything? Come on, that doesn't work. Here we go. Let's say that might have been a little fake out. Get all the bulls. Haha, told you. And then all of a sudden, boom, right back down. Now, if we break this level, we break that 285.70, these little low pivots, then we'll probably go to the 200 and double bottom. But at this point, maybe some more news comes out, we go straight up. I don't know. I can't even. It's just like, ooh, just watch it. Yeah, we need negative interest rates. Holy crap. No, we need a good ass kicking for about 6 months. Make everybody think about what's going on here. And then when the time comes, I'm going to scoop up more foreclosures, guys, because it's coming again, guys. All the housing prices are out of flipping control again. Everything, just like I tell a lot of my people that follow me, a lot of people that know me, punch up Ben Bernanke in 2007 and 8 on YouTube and in front of Congress and making a statement saying, "Oh, yeah, everything's great. Don't worry. The interest rates are great. We're right on track. GDP's fine. This is fine. That's fine." And then 6 months later, we're crashing. And then it's like, oh, we're going to bail out the banks. We're going to bail out this. And it's like, huh? 6 months earlier, he said everything was great, dude. What happened? And these guys, just like Trump, before he got elected, it was the biggest bubble in the history of the world, the markets. Now, no bubble. Everything's great. We are in the biggest bubble, guys. And it's just a matter of when this thing's going to blow up. And I don't know what's going to take it down. And if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I think they had $1 trillion in loans last year on automobiles, guys. They don't even, they look at your driver's license. They go, wow, okay, $60,000 Escalade or $100,000 Escalade. You make 50 grand a year. You want two of them? We can hook your wife up with one too. Your payment's only $1,200 a month on each one, but you make 50 grand. You should be able to squeeze that, right? No low down mortgages. Really? Oh my God. See, this is where they're lost now. They don't know what to do. So now it's just they got to keep the economy going, guys. And I know some mortgage brokers too, and I'm really talking to them too as well to see what kind of deals are out there and stuff. I think the same shit's going to happen once again, guys. And I'll show you, and I show everybody this. I don't know what's going to happen here, but look at the yearly. It's just stupid. Here's your .com bubble. Here's your housing bubble. And this is where we're at now. Oy. Yeah, exactly. 2 Escalades, and they live in an apartment complex. Exactly. For sure. Yeah, my brother-in-law runs 4 dealerships. You are, yeah, right. They come in and they're like, "Oh, would you like? Oh, you want the vet? Get the ZR1. It's only 60 grand more, and it's faster too." And you're like, "Yeah, really? I could do that? Oh yeah. Let's check your credit. 720. Shit, you could buy 2 of them. Come on, sign up." Do they come with spinners? You got it. We got the rim spinners too. Awesome. Look at that. And then the funniest part is you see the Escalades broken on the side of the road, but they or the bet not broken. Everyone has their windows, they're 6 years old Escalade, windows down, nice rims, middle of the summer because they can't afford to fix their air condition. Air condition broke. Love it. Wow, you got the Escalade, middle of the summer, 110 in Phoenix, and your windows are down. Looks like you can't afford to fix the AC, huh? But you got the Escalade and you got the $6,000 rims on there and tires. Nice job, buddy. And then, like you were saying, then they pull into the apartment complex. Nice, guys. Nice. Roll over the debt into the, yeah, exactly. Yeah, we're in the casino now, guys. But look at this. Come on. .com, housing, and this is where we're at now. This is the $5 trillion that Fed pumped into the markets, guys, and told everybody it's going to be okay. And look at the volume, guys, drying up at the highs. We're almost there, in my opinion. And now with this bullshit going on, lip service every day, trade deal, no trade deal, Mexican trade deal, Canada trade deal, no trade deal. Yeah, they're gonna make these pimps decide. They're gonna send it lower, and that's make the political children think about what they're doing again. Because Wall Street is king, guys. Wall Street is boss, period. That's why everyone like Bernie saying, we're going to take money from Wall Street. No, you're not. Wall Street will make you pay, and they'll make you pay with your 401k. You want to take money from Wall Street? Great. They're going to send this thing lower to the point where you get your next statement. You're going to be like, wow, it's 20% down. And then the mentality is, well, I'm still 50% up, though, so it's good. And now you're 40% down. Well, now I'm only 10% up. I'm still up. And then you're negative, and you're like, holy shit, what just happened? Oh, my God. Should I hold this thing? And then you turn on CNBC. Market's in turmoil tonight at 7. And then it's like, we're at the lows. We're in a bear market. And it starts, oh, my gosh, this is bankrupt. That's bankrupt. And everything's just going to come out, guys. Because every 6 months you hear the student debt loan. Every 6 months you hear the car loans. And you start hearing that crap, it's already the roaches are already there, guys. They're already scrambling. The Wall Street roaches. Is it on purpose? Oh yeah, look at that. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I'm blabbing away here. You know what? I had a glitch, guys. All right, hold on. Let's see if it comes back in. It's not coming back in. Damn it. Nope. It won't let me do a screen share anymore. They're taking me out, guys. One at a time. All right, let's see. Damn, it won't let me share anymore. All right, guys. Well, the markets are coming in. Damn, I can't. I'm not going to get out and come back in. All right, guys. We're at the lows again. Not at the lows, but we're coming back in with the 10-minute candle. Damn it. I don't know how to link it back up, guys. Sorry. I got my screen. It just won't, and it says is sharing the screen. Can you guys see anything now or no? So probably no way say anything. Screen was playing for 10 minutes. Yeah, they're just listening to me. All right, guys. I don't know why. You know what? I had a glitch actually. I heard it in my headphones, and it was just like, and then that's when it went out. It was about 10 minutes ago. They're taking me out, guys. They don't want me to be on here. All right, I'm going to end this though right now. Damn it. I want to go into the close with you guys, but with no screen. I can't even. Let's see if I share that one. It won't even let me share. So something's up. Let me pick on this one again. Nah, it won't even let me do it. All right, guys, just if you're in any positions, we're out of the calls. We're starting to flush in. I'm out for the day. Thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Members, watch for my weekend videos. We're going to go over a lot of stuff, trading stuff. Guys, we're cracking through that 285 area. Damn. Sorry, guys. Maybe I'll start it up again. Watch for the post. If I don't, then just watch out for double bottom, the 285.13 with the 200 MA. We'll take it from there. All right, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.